Hello, my name is Daniel, and in this gift card suite tutorial we will learn how to name your gift card shop. In the dashboard, you are going to go to Online Store in the side navigation, select Online Store, and then within the drop down you are going to go to Store URL, and then select that. On this page you will see enter account name. This account name is going to be your store URL. Why this is so important is because this is the link that customers are going to use in order to find your gift card shop, and most importantly, the link that customers are going to use to buy your gift cards. As you can see, we have a filler in here for the account name as business name, but for the sake of this tutorial, we're going to rename it to something like Massage Therapy Spa, and then simply click save, and just like that you have the URL Massage Therapy Spa, and this is going to be the link that customers are going to use to find you. And make sure that the account name that you choose is specific to your business name so that customers are aware of who you are, and this could also help with your search engine optimization and brand awareness. Also, one of the most important things is to let customers know about your link to your store URL, because if they don't know about it, how are they going to buy your e-gift cards? So be sure to send this out in email blasts on your social medias like your Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, etc. So most importantly, this has to be consistent with your business's brand name, and make sure that customers can easily find this, and make sure to always let your customers know about your store URL name so they could buy your e-gift cards. If you have any more questions, you can contact us at hello@giftcardsuite.com.